Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about using hashtags on Instagram. Hashtags are very common to use in posting content on Instagram. When you use hashtags, you'll increase your chance of getting discovered on this platform. Millions of users are uploading content on Instagram every day. Your chances of getting found to build your brand will be lesser if you don't use hashtags. So make sure to include hashtags on your content so that you'll be able to gain more followers and increase your brand awareness to your target audience on Instagram. You can also include up to 30 hashtags, which is the hashtag limit, on each of your posts. So how do you come up with your hashtags? Prepare a list of hashtags that you will be using for your business. Search for hashtags that are commonly used related to your niche. Doing this will give you less time in posting content and choosing what Instagram hashtags you will use for each post. Look for 6 commonly used hashtags. These are hashtags with posts ranging from 100,000 to 1 million posts. Let's see some examples. Let's say that our niche is coffee. We can search for these example hashtags. As you can see, this hashtag coffee time has 24 million posts. So we must proceed to the next hashtag, and this one has over 600,000 posts. When we click this hashtag, copy it and take note of this for our hashtag list to use when we post content on our business profile. This next hashtag has over 500,000 posts, so we can include this in our list. Cold brew coffee hashtag has over 400,000 posts, and this is also a good hashtag to include in our list. Keep on searching for popular hashtags to complete your list of 6 commonly used hashtags. These hashtags are commonly used by 100,000 to 1 million users on Instagram, thus increasing your post to reach the top search results of that hashtag and be seen by more people who could be your target audience. Next, look for 6 relatively less used hashtags with posts ranging from 50,000 to 100,000 posts. Coffee of Instagram has more than 80,000 posts, so we can include that in our list. Below, you can see suggested hashtags that are related to our hashtag search. You can also check these out to see if the posts using these hashtags fit into the criteria. As you can see, coffee with friends fit into our second criteria of hashtags. We can include this in our list. Next, brewing coffee has over 60,000 posts. Keep on searching for hashtags to complete our hashtag list ranging from 50 to 100,000 posts. Next, look for 3 precise hashtags that are specific for your niche. These are hashtags that are specific to the target market that you're trying to attract and reach. These have at least 10,000 to less than 30,000 posts. Look for hashtags related to what service and products you offer, your industry, and what your customers are searching for. Next, use 3 of your branded hashtags that you have come up with as you're creating your Instagram bio. So where will you put your hashtags? You can include the hashtags on your posted content like in this example, or you can put your hashtags in the comment section. You can even search Google for Instagram hashtags and you will find tons of sites where you can find similar hashtags. You can also use keywords as hashtags by following this format, using the hash key plus the keyword. Remember to remove spaces when using multiple keywords in your hashtags, like in this example. Now that you know how to properly use hashtags on Instagram, we can now proceed to the next topic, which is the mistakes to avoid when posting content. I'll see you there.